Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Asif Chaudhary. Today date is 11th January 2022 and today's topic name is set in Java. So in this video we will discussing about what is the set, which classes implement the set interface and where we can use this set data structure. So let's start with the what is the set in Java. So set is the data structure or interface provided in the Java. By using set we can add the element. If you want to add the unique element, then we can use the set data structure, and set is the interface which is extended by the collection interface, and collection interface is extended by the iterable interface. So set interface is implemented in the three classes, which are the first one is the hash set. So in hash set implement the set interface. Another is linked hash set, which is also implement the set interface, and another one which is the interface which extend the set interface, which is called as sorted set, and this sorted set interface implemented in the tree set. So these are the classes which implement the set data structure or set interface. So let's discuss the where we can use the hash set class. Hash set class is used when we want to add the only unique element, then we use the hash set. Hash set doesn't maintain the insertion order, and it is also does not maintain the insertion order. It will contain the one null value or one null element. So if you want to add the unique element and insertion order is not mandatory, in this case we can use the hash set class. Another is the linked hash set. So linked hash set, it is the class which is implemented by the set interface, and we can use the linked hash set in case we want to add the unique element as well as maintain the insertion order. In this case we can use the linked hash set, and it is also non-synchronized, means it is not thread safe, but due to it is not synchronized it will fast. Another one is the interface which is called as the sorted set. So in the hash set and linked hash set, in the hash set it does not maintain the insertion order, but in the linked hash set it will maintain the insertion order. But in the case of the sorted set interface, which is does not maintain the insertion order, but it will maintain the natural order, means if you want to add the element, then it will add the element as the ascending order. So by using this interface sorted set, which is implemented this interface in the tree set class. So tree set class, it is used when we want to add the unique element, and the we want to add the element in the ascending order, then basically we can use the tree set, and also it doesn't contain any null value. So and it is also don't contain the duplicate value. This is the called as the tree set class. And if you want to add the element on the ascending order, then we can use the tree set data structure. Another is the hash set. So if you want to add the element, add the unique element, and would insertion order is not mandatory, then we can use the hash set. And another is the linked hash set. Linked hash set maintain the insertion order, and it is also saves the only unique value. And these all the classes are the classes which means hash set, linked hash set, tree set, which are implement the set interface. And by using this set interface or set data structure, we can add the unique element in our hash set or linked hash set. This is the all about the set in Java. Thank you.